Oh shit, there could be somebody up here though. Yo, GG man.
Mid fight. Oh, 4 people on you.
Help! Help!
Help!
Pop that medi, dude. Pop that medi, dude.
No way. I don't know where. I can't even see this guy.
No fucking way, dude.
You're
No
a god!
fucking way! Tfue! The fuck out of here with that, dude!
Fuck
Yo,
him,
that
dude.
was such a sick fight, dude.
Oh my god. How would they read it though? Do they have to sign into my Streamlabs? Yo, fog her up, dude. I can't, bro. I need her, bro. Where's she at, dude? I need her. Fucking trappers. What the fuck? This man's got the young strats.
I am Gucci Mane, 10.
I gotta hit this med kit real quick.
Take your time. How do you want to do with the skybase? I can rocket you up there.
Chancy boy with the sub. Thanks, buddy.
Oh my, 275. That's a hunting rifle shot. Maximum. That's my longest snipe ever. He see what just fell.
Got that with a hunting rifle.
Oh, he's got a jetpack. I knocked him.
What am I missing?
The other
Worst
dude,
time to med.
the other dude just jetpacked down.
Wait, he's at northeast?
Yeah. Players rotating right in front of me. 1530, bottom of the mountain.
Launch it. I'm right behind you. Good shot.
Clip
Did
it.
you just no-scope him?
Clip it.
What?
I just no-scoped him in the face. I landed right in front of him and whipped the no-scope right in his face. Just put it right in his head. Square. Oh my. I'm back for you, dude. I'm back for you, baby.
I have my own launch pad.
I know, dude. I came back for you. I wanted to be with you. You know, like a spirit animal, dude. 90. Thank you. That's what I was looking for. Appreciate it. Now I'm dead. 4 HP. No big deal.
Did you take fall damage?
No. Oh my god, dude.
Wow.
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. I'm like the LeBron James, dude. Oh, LeBron James. Watch this. Reloads. Watch this.
Wow.
This is what you meant to do.
guy.
This is what you meant to do. Why are my hunting rifle shots so laggy, chat?
I think that worked out in your favor.
Why? He's weak. Shotgun that guy. I sniped
Good job.
random.
Good job.
What's going on? Why is this the longest res ever?
Did you get them all? No.
One hit! I'm falling off the map!
What the f?
Do it. Let's go!
Oh my god!
Let's go! What do you think? Get up! Get boots on
What
the
just
ground!
happened?
Hashtag Call of Duty!
Boots on the...
Where is it?
Dusty, inside the crater.
Inside crater, you
Northwest
said?
330.
I see him.
Did you just headshot no scope him?
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
¡No! ¡Sigo aquí! ¡Sigo aquí! ¿Se creía que me iba a caer para abajo? No, ¿por qué? Porque soy Peter Pan, tío. Soy Peter Pack. Me han disparado desde aquí, ¿no es posible? Sí. No voy a opinar nada sobre ese tiro. ¡Oh! ¡Ayudarme! ¡Ayuda! ¡No! ¡Por favor, no! ¡Por favor!
Joder.
Sin ti no soy nada. Ah. ¿Dónde opináis? ¿Dónde creéis que estará? Por ahí escondido a lo mejor, ¿no?
Estamos posicionados de puta madre, yo creo.
Son dos, ¿eh?
Mira, mira. Ahí lo teníamos. Le doy
Ya.
con la semana. ¡Oh!
¡Se la había pegado en la cabeza!
¿Dónde está?